pair of Eagles wings looking for the lead. Lucky touch from the outside second. And running into the LA alongside Scout Ranger. Then followed by Super Win Hot Shout. Manila's Gem moving up is Cheap. Stop Mamika is next on line. And going along for the first turn, it's still Eagles Wings, leads by Flank, followed by Lucky Touch in second. 2 lengths back now, Scout Ranger. Here comes Ale. Around the outside now, fifth is Super Win. 5 to 6 lengths in behind them is Cheap of Stop, then followed by Hot Shout Mamika. Long way back, Pink Lady, Manila's Gem. While Lucky Lorky is running in the tail of the field inside the last 600. Eagles wings Ale, moving up, not the outside. Is Ale, Eagles wings, Lucky Touch, Scout Ranger, Super Win. Here comes Cheap of Stop, joining them now as they hit the final turn. Ale leads the pack now by half flank, followed by Eagles wings, Lucky Touch moving up, Hot Shout, Super Win, Cheap of Stop, but still Ale, and finally Ale, Hot Shout, Cheap of Stop, Eagles wings, Close, Super Win, and Lucky Touch.
Photo natin